Hi, I said in my previous video that I will be giving you information about the services I provide through this website. So I have got total 8 services. One program is weight loss program. In this weight loss program, you get 4 charts per month. It's monthly based program. So every month you get 4 charts, and every week you are supposed to update your weight based on your weight and your other parameters. I give the next chart. So in that way, every month you get 4 charts, and you are expected to lose somewhere around 1 kg based on your other comorbidities. So this is about the weight loss program, and the second program is weight gain program. The second program is weight gain program. In this program, per month you get 2 charts. Basically, I have to take the information from the client and then decide what's the reason behind why they are not gaining weight. And so I give 2 charts per month, and you are expected to gain somewhere around 1.5 kg weight for 15 days. Again, this is based on their remaining parameters, and sometimes mostly all my diet charts are food based, basically what they cook and what they eat. But in few cases, when there is a supplement requirement, when there is a depletion of a nutrient in their body, based on that I have to give supplements to the clients. And the third program is diet for diabetes. In this diet, I look out for what kind of medication they are using, and I also ask their average blood sugar, like HbA1c, fasting and posting blood sugars. Based on this, I give their diet charts. It is also per month you get 2 diet charts, and for every 15 days I monitor you, and I ask the details about how are your sugar levels post and fasting and post lunch sugar levels. So this is how the diabetic service program will be there. And coming to the next program is diet for PCOS. PCOS is basically a female reproductive condition uh, where you find many follicles in their uterus, sometimes in their ovaries. So mostly the follicles are present in the ovaries. This is called polycystic ovarian syndrome. So here the diet charts they get 4 diet charts per month. But here the speciality of this program is every diet chart is designed according to their menstrual phase. So there will be 4 phases in the menstrual cycle. So every month the 4 phases gets repeated for a woman. So based on each phase, the diet chart will be decided based on each phase, and this I can clearly explain to the people who gets enrolled into this program. And the next program is whole detox program. This is a specific program for people who have recently recovered from any ailment, or who is been using medication for a long term, and who are more exposed to pollution, or who are more exposed to any kind of pollution, internal or external pollution. For these people, or if you wanted to go for a change, for example, if you are seeing facing more seasonal allergies, or if you wanted to give a shift to your metabolism, then this whole detox program helps you. It is basically based on the food and spirit system, which I was certified in the year 2015. So in this is mostly color coded program, where for every 3 days, it's a 21-day program, and for every 3 days you will be having a new diet chart. And every 3 days we will move from one color coded. As I said, it is color coded. Let's say, for example, first 3 days we will focus on red colored foods and protein based foods, and what are the so the first 3 days will be on red, and the second 3 days will be on like fourth, fifth, and sixth day will be focused on orange. So what different kinds of orange foods you can include in your diet. So what is the importance of eating orange foods, and so there are n number of things that gets covered. It's like a whole body program where I focus on food, I focus on your emotions, I focus on your physical activity. There will be focus on the way you are eating, the way you are achieving. So there will be focus on what kind of thoughts are there when you are eating, how you should eat a food. So it's a complete whole body program. This is a whole detox program. It's a 21-day program. For every 3 days you get a new chart. And then next program is immune booster diet. Immune boosting diet is a single consultation where I take all your data. Based on that, I give you a diet chart which promotes healthy immune system. And next program is a lifestyle consultation program. Here in this program I take current lifestyle what you are following. I help you to modify your lifestyle and slowly bring into your track. This is also a single consultation program. So if you like, let's say for example, with one consultation you get a diet chart, you follow the diet chart and make all the ideal changes. So not all changes you can make in a one sitting. So maybe in first sitting you will see few changes, in the second sitting there will be other changes. So I work along with you for every sitting, but then it is a single consultation program. So these are different kinds of programs I offer to the people who are enrolling into a e-diet application. Like if you wanted to register for any program, this is how every program runs. Thank you.